What's going on, guys? It's Greg Campbell, Angry Tones Riff Clips, coming at you with another awesome pedal on the market, brand new from Noise Pollution Pedals. This is incredible, you guys. This is called the Plush Box. You ever tried the Plumes? I hope everyone's tried the Plumes. That's a phenomenal pedal from Earthquaker Devices. This is very similar, but it's completely different. This is a reimagined Plumes, if you will, kind of a take on a Plumes. This is the Plush Box by Noise Pollution Pedals. Plush Box is incredible. What this is doing is going to give your amp like a three-dimensional type tone, creamy mid-range, of course your tighter low end, but it's also giving it an upper presence. I'm really having a lot of fun with this pedal today, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So I'll bring it closer to the frame and we'll talk about it. Before we do that, I also want to just shout out Danny Crider with Noise Pollution Pedals. If you guys haven't caught on to the amazing builds he's doing, you guys really need to check him out. He's up and coming, and a lot of this stuff is just next level, heavily on the boutique quality. Really takes his time with his builds. So let's go ahead and check out Plush Box. First of all, look at the finish on this thing. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a spectacular finish. It's super thick. I didn't know if you know, but Danny uses a like $500 a gallon clear coat on these things just to give them this sheen. It's absolutely beautiful. Got the Noise Pollution logo right there in the center. Little decal. So, and you got the Biohazard logo inside the paint finish. Freaking killer. So you got a beautiful, super bright white LED. You've got your bypass here. You've got your volume. You've got your drive. And you've got your tone. A huge sweep on it to go from a brilliant presence like to a more thicker, warmer, robust tone to almost put it at noon. You get that creamy mid-range I'm talking about, but I like to give it a little bit more brilliance. Drive knob, I'm running in Tubescreamer mode today. Not using too much drive because we're running through a high gain amp, but just a pinch to give it a lift and let the Plush Box do the rest of the work. Now you got your volume, which is awesome. This is a very high output pedal. And you've got this 3-channel or 3-mode clipping switch right here. So if you want to get different diode settings, we'll start right off with it in the center. And of course, you've got top mounted jacks to save room on your pedal board, which is my favorite, and your 9-volt hookup right there. So let's go ahead and check out Plush Box and see what she does. Going to be using my ESP LTD. This is a H201. Super affordable guitar. It's almost 20 years old. Mahogany body with a flame maple top. And we're running a Voodoo Custom Pickups humbucker in the bridge. If you haven't heard already, this is called the Alchemist, and it absolutely frickin' slays. Rosewood fretboard, and let's see what we got. Randall T2. It's a 400-watt high-gain amplifier with a fully tube-driven preamp section and a MOSFET-driven power amp section with a 12AU7 running in there. So first off, I want to explain what I'm really happy about as far as what this pedal does. You always hear the high-gain stuff, which is perfect. Sorry, get that arm out of the way. About to play some guitar. But yeah, I'm always doing the high gain stuff, which we're going to get into, but I'm extremely impressed with what this does to a clean channel. Check this out. Randall T2, clean. Really nice, warmer, clean tone. If we hit the Plush Box, give it a little bit more volume, brilliance, and a little dirt in there. That is absolutely awesome. Let's go ahead and let's do this here real quick for Rich from Voodoo Pickups too. Let's see what that sounds like with a pickup split. We use the Voodoo and my Duncan 59. Same Randall clean. split. Beautiful. Now let's try it with the pedal. Regular humbucker. Humbucker split with the plush box on. That's a really gorgeous tone. That is phenomenal, you guys, what it's doing to a clean channel. Alright, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and mess with the Randall T2 in Mode 2, which is your higher gain setting for a little bit more robust, thicker, high gain sound, more of a crunch setting. Let's go ahead and hit that sound with the plush box. Really nice. Really awesome. Has a nice smooth mid-range like I'm talking about. Really cuts through. Mode 3 on the Randall amplifier, which is its more higher gain setting. A lot more sizzle, a little more crisp, but still a little bit looser low end. Now it's a high gain amplifier and it's already kind of a tight sound, being that it's got dual mid-range. This is what I love about this amplifier. It's got a level for your mids and a sweep and a density and a presence, so you can really kind of hone in on those richer low-end tones and kind of tighten them up a little bit. But this pedal has so much gain on top and output, and the tone knob, the way it sculpts and cultivates the sound, I really like letting the plush box do its work, especially with the clipping switch in the center. So let's go ahead and try it without the pedal and with the pedal. Now let's hit the plush box. has got a really strong sound to it, really good vibes, and the three-dimensional like clarity that I'm getting from this pedal really shines and blooms with those bigger chords. Getting some great tones, you guys. Let's go ahead and add some tape echo and just see if it gets some decent lead settings in these same modes. That is just amazing. Let's hit it with the rhythm switch. Plush Box, you guys, is absolutely amazing. I hope you guys reach out to Danny with Noise Pollution Pedals. Grab yourself one. I'm really enjoying the tones. Just want to go over, you know, my first impressions with it. Been playing with it for a little while now and just really wanted to toy around with the three things that work well for me. It really gives new life to my clean setting, which I love. This amplifier is clean, but with this pedal, it brings it new life, gives it that three-dimensional clarity like that I'm getting from it. Mode 2 and Mode 3 are really nice saturated high gain channels, but with this Plush Box I'm getting new levels of clarity once again because of its boost inside. With this reimagined tone knob, it gives a lot more brilliance and cut and more of a presence sound to it. And as well as the high output and the three modes of diode switching, you know, diode clipping, I should say, is giving it, you know, three different levels of characteristics as well. So there's a lot packed into this pedal, and I'm having a lot of fun with it today. I hope you guys enjoy this demo. Like and subscribe. Check the link below. I'll put some information on where to find Noise Pollution Pedals and Danny Crider if you'd like to order something from him. And thank you guys so much for checking out these demos. It's really fun for me to just, you know, show off some stuff that I'm using from my tones. You know what I mean? And see if it works with your amplifiers, whatever you're running. But these guys here are top notch, and Danny's building some excellent stuff out there. I suggest you guys check it out. He's got a lot of great pedals, and I'm going to keep on collecting them because they work great with my sound, great with my amplifiers, and they're essential to my personal tone. So thanks again, you guys, for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.